I'm so cold, you got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan.
What's up, guys? Hey, guys. Gang, gang.
Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love it was not the same? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? Throw it away. Throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Frontin' like you numb. Yeah, got me gone. Only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. I've been taking all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say I love it was not the same? How you gonna Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love it was not the same? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? Throw it away. Throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Frontin' like you numb. Yeah, got me gone. Only about yourself.
I am trying to go to the other side of the street to get one with the
That's why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta repent to the
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it.
What's up, Kaeden?
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. I'm saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya.
Hey you guys, it's Tara. It's me again. I hope everyone is having a great summer. I'm sorry if I sound depressed. There's just so much going on in my life right now, and I just wanted to update you guys on what to expect in the next month during July. First and foremost, my son, he turns 3 in July. Yay, I'm so excited. My husband's birthday is in July. Our anniversary, well, not a marriage anniversary, but when we first started dating, anniversary is in July. Yes, we do celebrate that day. It's important. My baby girl turns 2 months. She also might be getting her ears pierced this month. I'm starting my weight loss journey, and I hope I get good results on July 31st, right? I'm also starting my clear skin journey because, as you can see, I have dark spots and I don't like it. But anyways, I just wanted to let y'all know a few things going on. There's a lot more stuff going on, but we won't update y'all until it actually happens, so it can be like a surprise to y'all. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has supported me, who's stuck by my YouTube journey. It's just something fun I wanted to do and involve my family in, show y'all the life of us. Another thing is I might be starting my own little business, homemade hair products for kids. Since both of my babies are mixed, they're gonna have that curly type hair, so I was like, I might make homemade products for their curly hair. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And once again, I just wanted to say thank you to all my supporters, subscribers, who watch my videos every time I upload, who comments, who shares, who just supports me in the long run. And I just wanted to say, stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Big things are coming, and we are so excited to share them with y'all. So we will see you in our next video. Okay. I love you guys. Bye.